with iSaveTractors.com. In this video, I'm going to be working our spring garden and prepare it for planting. I'm going to be using 3 of our garden tractors. I'm going to be using this Cub Cadet 149 with this backhoe to dig up the previous garden. And then I'm going to be using our Ingersoll 4118 with our electric dump trailer. We're going to be hauling our most aged compost to the garden, and I'm going to be mixing it up with this backhoe too. So I'm using the Cub Cadet 149 backhoe, Ingersoll 4118 to tow a big dump trailer, and I'll be using our Ford LGT 145 with front end loader to load the trailer. Enjoy the video. Here we are walking over to our other site. This is where we keep all of the horse manure and we pile it up for composting. There is the Ingersoll 4118 with our dump trailer and the Ford LGT 145. This is on the other side of the property from where the garden is. We own about 8 acres here, and we just recently had the entire thing logged. So as you can see, we have a lot of work ahead of us. But we're just going to take it one step at a time. We set up this camera and let's get to work. And after a couple hours of work, this is what we're left with. We have very sandy soil here where we're located in Maine. So adding this aged compost will really help with the soil. This will be our garden bed this year. Looks good. Sand mixed with compost. It's not too dry, not too clumpy. Looks good to me.